Okay, hey there, sports card fans. I have 2017 Series 1 Topps Hanger Box for you. Hopefully I'll get a judge card this time. It's been like 4 or 5 of them, no judge. So that's kind of been crappy. We got 87 design Noah Syndergaard on the back. Stack of that. Excuse me. Adonis Vizcaino, and I think. Oh no, that's Adonis Garcia. Okay, Adonis Vizcaino. Kurt Suzuki, Joe Musgrove, rookie. Jackie Bradley Jr., Aaron Hicks, Robert Gesellman, rookie. Jason Hamill, Aaron Althea, Anthony DeScalfani, Nick Hundley, Anthony Gose, or Gose, maybe? Doug Fister, Nate Jones, Starling, excuse me, Starling Marte, Adam Eaton, Freddie Galvis, Dustin Pedroia, Brian McCann, Nolan Arenado, Max Scherzer, Kyle Kendricks, Daniel Murphy, Michael Watcheb, Jose Bautista, Cameron Maben, Giovanni Soto, Chris Carter, Travis Jankowski, Felix Hernandez, and Shin Soo Choo. Inserts and parallels. We've got Ivan Rodriguez, top salute. Let's see, put the parallels at the end. Dave Roberts, Manager of the Year. Chris Bryant, Hank Aaron Award. Then and Now, Justin Verlander. Miguel Cabrera, Silver Slugger. Jake Arrieta, Silver Slugger. Adonis Garcia, Topps Gold. Numbered to 2017, 1289 of 2017. Yasmani Tomas, Rainbow Parallel. Ken Griffey Jr. reprint. Okay. Next stack of base cards. Oh, and the Noah Syndergaard 87 design. I forgot about that. It's on the back. Okay, so base cards. Justin Smoak, Nomar Mazara, Francisco Cervelli, Justin Turner, Tucker Barnhart, Blake Street Bombers, Colorado Rockies, Addison Russell, Danny Espinosa, Minnesota Twins, Thor in the Dark Knight, San Diego Padres, Houston Astros, Chicago Cubs, Xander Bogaerts, Alex Wood, Yasmani Tomas, Nathan Eovaldi, Colby Rasmus, Bryce Harper, Scott Schebler, Mike Foltynewicz, Masahiro Tanaka, Gregor Blanco, Mike Zunino, Juris Familia, Matt Moore, Elvis Andrus, Rick Porcello, Brandon Belt, Troy Tulowitzki, Travis DeArnaud, Tim Anderson, Kendrys Morales. These hanger boxes have really sucked so far. Man, I've got, 2 more cases of them? Let me look real quick, see if I missed any rookies, see if I missed any short prints. No short prints, no rookies. So only, 2 rookies in the entire thing. Joe Musgrove, Robert Gesellman. 2 parallels, bunch of inserts, but not anything really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye.